Time adds more than just hours and minutes. It's a rhythm of life, the quiet moments, the shared laughter. The clock doesn't just mark time, it holds it, cherishes it, and transforms it into something extraordinary. Imagine the aroma of freshly bagged coffee filling the air, the warmth of cup in your hands. It's more than a drink, it's a ritual, a voice, a connection. Let's bring those moments to life, a reminder of the simple joys that shape our days. Every tick of the pendulum whispers a story of morning filled with promise, afternoons of quiet relations, and evenings spent in the company of friends. It's not just a clock, it's a keeper of memories, a symbol of life's sweetest moments. Look closely and you'll see more than wood and design. You'll see the spirit of creation, the essence of care, and the soul of something meant to be times. It's not about the hours it keeps, but the stories it inspires. Wherever it finds a home, the clock is more than in objects. It's a companion, a reminder to pause, to savor, to be present in the moment, because time isn't just about moving forward. It's about making every second counts. This is more than just a timepiece. It's a celebration of lives, a silent witness to life's beauty, and a timeless companion to your every moment.